Now, what is the Amazon Influencer Program? Okay. So, first of all, you have to have some type of influence off the bat. You got to have some type of influence, right? So you have to have some type of platform, whether it's TikTok, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Whatever platform you use, you have to have some type of following, like 500 followers, 1,000 followers, and you have to be an Amazon affiliate. All right, so everybody can become an Amazon affiliate. You can set up a free Amazon, affiliate account, which is like simple, and easy to do. And then, you can also apply to become an influencer if you have a platform with people on it and people that are following you, because Amazon are looking for people that are influencers, right? Not people that got 30 followers. Amazon's looking for, you got to have some type of influence, right? So I was actually Amazon influencer. I've been an Amazon seller for over like 6 years. I've made multiple six figures with Amazon. I've made multiple six figures selling Amazon courses, to other people. I've helped thousands of people drop ship on eBay. I've helped thousands of people drop ship on Amazon and Shopify, Etsy, Poshmark, all of these e-commerce sites, right? And Amazon is the number one e-commerce site. Amazon is number one, hands down. Amazon shipped 385 million packages per day. Per day. No other platform is doing that at all. So I was excited, and I partnered with one of my millionaire mom friends, Keisha. And what we're doing is we're helping people to become influencers, right? So how the world works is that now companies like Amazon don't want to pay for advertising, right? They don't want to pay the TVs thousands and thousands of dollars. They don't want to pay the billboards thousands and thousands of dollars. So they find people like me and you to be able to now advertise, not even really advertise, become a professional product reviewer. Can you review some products that you already bought in your house? Well, that's what the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you have a platform and you're already an Amazon affiliate and you already have a platform, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Snapchat, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook, you can now get paid to be an Amazon influencer, becoming a professional product reviewer. They didn't teach us that in college. They didn't teach us to become a professional product reviewer. As long as you got a cell phone, you can make money on Amazon. So we made a killing with the drop shipping thing. Now drop shipping is still alive. Don't get it twisted. Don't think drop shipping ain't still alive. I'm still drop shipping on eBay now, right? Drop shipping is still alive. But as the world turns, as the world, grows, and as people innovate, and as we evolve as people, companies will also innovate. And companies will start using regular people. Companies will start using regular people like me and you make money. How many people already work from home? How many people want to work from home? You literally can become an Amazon affiliate, Amazon influencer, and literally make 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 100,000 in 1 year from home. All you got to be is 18 years old. Be an influencer. Sign up for free for Amazon affiliate account and start making money. But I have a free affiliate marketing ebook that I want you to be able to download. So I have an affiliate marketing ebook that I want you to download. You can download it. You can watch the free webinar, right? Because I show you about affiliate marketing, different ways to become affiliates, and how to or what to do with your money. Okay. Then, you watch it. And if you say you're ready, let's go. You start setting up everything you need to set up, right? This is not hard. This is the easiest money that you will ever make. You don't have to set up no website. You don't have to set up a merchant account. You don't have to worry about branding. You don't have to worry about logos, all that stuff. We're literally getting paid to do what we already been doing for, and Amazon is not going anywhere. So make sure you download my free affiliate marketing ebook so you can understand affiliate marketing, right? Because we've been doing affiliate marketing since we could talk. We've been referring people to videos. We've been referring people to movies. We've been referring people to restaurants. We've been referring people to stores. We've been referring people to countries, vacations. We've been an affiliate our whole entire life already. Right now, it's understanding how to get paid. It's not MLM. No, I'm not trying to get you to join the MLM and build a team and your team got to do this and your team got to do that. No, nah. MLM, their sales, even in MLM, has gone down because MLM products is overpriced. Amazon is top notch. I've been a seller, right, on Amazon, right, for over 6 years. I've helped other people sell on Amazon for years. And now this is the next gold rush to be an Amazon influencer. But you got to have some type of influence. So make sure. So download the free ebook. Okay, download the free ebook. Read it, watch the webinar, right? So you can understand how affiliate marketing works. And then you will get another email from me. And it's going to be talking about a webinar that's going to show you how to become an Amazon influencer. And we will invite you to join community. Okay. It's me and my millionaire mom friend, Keisha, who me and her have been Amazon sellers for years. We've been working on Amazon for years. We've made a ton of money on Amazon for years. And this is the next goal. You ready to really make some money? Download the free ebook today. Read it. Watch the webinar. And you will get another email and you will get the links. And you will get the links to be able to now see how you can become an influencer. And don't worry if you don't have 500 followers, you don't have 1,000 followers on your Instagram. We're going to show you step by step. Guys, this is going to be the easiest money that you ever make from the comfort of your... And you will get the links. And you will get the links to be able to now see how you can become an influencer. And don't worry if you don't have 500 followers, you don't have 1,000 followers on your Instagram. We're going to show you step by step. Guys, this is going to be the easiest money that you ever make from the comfort of your...